Hello friends, this is Dr. Meenakshi. Welcome back to my channel. Today again I'm here with Ask You. So let's check statement. So the statement is, now a lot of people in college are doing academic study. We should encourage them to learn vocational skills like plumbers and electricians. Do you agree or disagree? What does it mean? It means आजकल ज़्यादातर जोड़े लोग हैगे ने वो कॉलेज दे विच अपनी एकेडमिक स्टडी कर रहे ने. So that is all about the graduation ना जो कॉलेजेस दे विच की जा रही है लोगों ने दोबारा means debatable issue की है कि after 12th कि स्टूडेंट्स ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ फर्दर एजुकेशन ही अपनी परस्यू करनी चाहिए है या फिर दे शुड एनकरेज या वी शुड एनकरेज देम टू लर्न द वोकेशनल स्किल्स या फिर आफ्टर 12 दे डोंट हैव एनी नीड टू जस्ट गेट एनी डिग्री सो इंस्टेड दे शुड provide or they should be provided or you can say they should acquire the vocational training like of the plumbers or electricians so that वो early age ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਵਧੀਆ earn ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਣ. So do you agree or disagree? Got it? So again it is a debatable issue whether and or the statement बनेगी. whether ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕੀ ਲਿਖਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ academic study ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਅੱਗੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ pursue ਕਰਨੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ colleges ਤੋਂ after 12 ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ instead of this they should only acquire the vocational training. Got it? So introduction part it is argued that then you will make sentence of whether or. So like as I'm going to mention here, whether most of the youngsters are to pursue their tertiary education from the colleges or universities or varsities, anything you can write here, keeping into mind the benefits of being highly qualified or they should go in for some vocational training in order to start earning soon. So that is a debatable issue. So you can say whether most of the youngsters ought to be should pursue means continuously again continue करना चाहिए अपनी tertiary education means graduation from the colleges keeping into mind right कि चीज़ ਨੂੰ मद्देनजर रखते हुए benefits of being highly qualified or they should go in for some vocational training या फिर ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ participate ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ vocational training ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ in order to start earning soon ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਲਦੀ earn ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਣ. So what is the meaning of go in for here? As you will get confused now कि we can't join in and for together. Yeah, we can go in for means take part. I hope it's clear. So after that you have to give your opinion that I do agree with the former school of thought. So here we have two statements now, former and later one. So I do agree with the former school of thought in which I am saying that they should definitely pursue their higher education from the colleges. Right? Why so? By just keeping into mind the benefits of being highly educated. Got it? So that is all about introduction part. As I do agree with the former notion, that means in both body paragraphs I will write the reasons why I do agree with the former notion. So let's start discussion with the points. So what are the reasons why I do agree with the former notion? I'm going to start with first and foremost reason. As we can say generally, as it is a fact that to become any professional, right, if we want to be professional, So having degree is very important. Then you can cite your example. For example, it is very, like you can say, it is impossible for a person to become doctor, teacher, barrister, engineer without having any degree. So मैं कहना चाहनी हाँ कि कोई प्रोफेशन ਨੂੰ ਚੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ। ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਪਰਸਨ ਬਿਨਾ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਡਾਕਟਰ, ਟੀਚਰ, ਬੈਰਿਸਟਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣ ਸਕਦਾ। So that's why it's necessary to have degrees. For example, as I mentioned, example of the doctor, teacher or barrister, right? So number one, we will start with academic qualification is required to, so it is very required. What is required? That is the academic qualification is required to or required in each and every profession. हर एक profession की गल की जावे। So academic qualification is very required. For example, if a person wants to become doctor, teacher or lawyer or advocate, it's impossible. It is impossible without having relevant degree. So ਜਦੋਂ तक relevant degree नहीं होगी उਦੋਂ तक ਜਿਹੜਾ person है ਉਹ professional नहीं बन सकता। I hope it's clear. So that is our first and foremost point, right? Now come to the second one. So second ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, स्पेशली ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ करिए ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ even though vocational ਜਿਹੜੀ training ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, vocational skills ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, but still they have to do work under the people who have any degree. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ under ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਊਗਾ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਕੋਲ degrees ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ। You can here also cite example of people, for example electrician or plumber is there who is just doing work on the construction site, then they have to do work under the, you can say civil engineer, or for example if a car mechanic is there, so always they have to do under the mechanical engineer. So I just want to say कि independently वो चंगे तरीके नाल काम नहीं कर सकते, because always they have to do work under any person having any degree. Got it? So that's why I'm saying having degree is very important. So number two, we will say even though people have vocational skills, but always they have to do work under those people who have any professional degree. Is it clear? So हमेशा उन्होंने लोगों के अंडर काम करना पड़ेगा जिन्हें लोगों को प्रोफेशनल डिग्री हैगी है। Then you can say for example, as I mentioned earlier, that is all about, for example, electrician is there or plumber is there who is doing work on a construction site. For example, we can write about the construction work or construction site where plumber or electrician is doing work. So always they have to do work under civil engineer. Got it now? So secondly, we can cite an example of a car mechanic. They have to always do work under mechanic engineer. So that is my second point. So that's why I'm saying having degree is very important. Got it? Now come to third point. In third one, we will talk about the job opportunities. It's a fact that nowadays most of the employers are seeking for those kind of employees who have a range of degrees as compared to those who do not have. Got it? So मैं कहना चाहनी हाँ कि आजकल जो एम्पलॉयज़ ने ज़्यादातर एम्पलॉयर्स की गल की जाए सो उदा दे जो एम्पलॉयज़ ने उन्होंने सर्च करते पे ने जिन्हें को रेंज ऑफ डिग्रीज होन बिकॉज बहुत सारिया स्किल्स ने जो जॉब के रिक्वायर्ड होंगे ने तो वो स्किल्स परसन के कदों होन होंगे ने जो कोई उन्हें डिग्री की होंगी इट्स ऑल अबाउट द 3 or 4 years डिग्री जो कॉलेज तो की होंगी है सो दैट्स वाई जेडे लोगों को ज्यादा डिग्रीज होंगी ने दे हैव मोर जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज एज कंपेयर टू दोस who do not have. So number 3, it's all about graduating from university or college. Anything you can write here. Graduating from university is necessary. It's necessary. कि दे लिए जरूरत है पुत्र जी. That is all about as it gives you a lot of choices because number of choices ज़्यादा मिलती हैं कदों when it comes to getting a job so ज़्यादा opportunities मिलती हैं जो ज़्यादा degrees होंगी हैं then you will say nowadays most of the employers are seeking for those employees who have a wide range of degrees than those who do not have. Who do not have. Got it? So that means they have more job opportunities because आप clear करता है इतने अगे तुसी reason भी explain कर सकते हो because it shows certain level of intelligence, cooperation, as well as self-discipline, which are required to get 3 or 4 years degree from college or university. Got it? So that is your third point. I hope it's clear. Now come to last one. हाँ जी, fourth दे विच हुण आपां गल करांगे as we are talking about we are making comparison between the people number 1 who have wide range of degrees, number 2 who have good vocational training. Got it? So the last one is then we will talk about the neck to neck competition. As in this present scenario there is a neck to neck competition in the job market sorry. So job market ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ competition बहुत ज़्यादा hard है even though it is a fact that hundreds of the applicants do apply for a single job position. जॉब एक होंगी है जॉब पोजीशन एक होंगी बट ओनली हंड्रेड्स ऑफ एप्लीकेंट्स ने जोड़े वो अप्लाई करते हैं अंडरस्टूड है एम्प्लॉयर्स ने जोड़े वो सिर्फ ते सिर्फ किन्ना नु शॉर्टलिस्ट करते हैं जिन्हां कोल वाइड रेंज ऑफ डिग्रीज होंदियां ने एंड अदर वंस मतलब जिन्हां कोल नहीं होंदियां दे आर एलिमिनेटेड सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू गेट हाई सैलरी जॉब नाउडेज एज दैट इज एरा ऑफ इन्फ्लेशन ਸੋ ਸਿਰਜਣ ਸਿਰਫ ਕਦੋਂ ਮਿਲ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ whenever we are able to compete and compete ਕਰਨ ਲਈ able ਅਸੀਂ ਕਦੋਂ ਹੋਵਾਂਗੇ whenever we have a range of degrees. Is it clear? So that's why we are saying कि जरूरी है. In this present scenario there is neck to neck competition. Sorry, हाँ जी, there is neck to neck competition in the job market as it is a fact that hundreds of applicants do apply for only single job position, as I mentioned earlier, right? Employers do shortlist only those candidates who have a number of degrees than those who do not have. या फिर सिंपल में लिख सकते number of degrees. Others means people who do not have a range of degrees. So others are eliminated. So it is the need of an hour to get higher degrees in order to compete in the job market. So that is your fourth point. I hope all are clear. So that's all about your task 2. Thank you. Have a nice day. We'll next time. Navi video de naal. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do like, share and comment. Thank you. Bye bye.